Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, in the sales department here at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. And here behind me, I have a brand new Honda Pilot. I'm going to show you some cool hidden features or functions that you may not be fully aware of that could have a huge impact on your daily life, so you get the full experience on the Honda Pilot. So let's get going right now. So let's imagine you're going out to your vehicle. You find out that your key fob battery is dead, or maybe the car battery is dead, all right? But unfortunately, you have some supplies still in the car. So with the dead car battery or the dead fob battery, you can't lock on the key fob, put your hand on the handle, and it unlocks. How do I access the vehicle? Let me show you. All right, so we have the key fob here with you guys, all right? So once again, it's gonna be dead, but here on the side, you'll see there's a little button right there. So push that button in, you can pull out a key shank. Right, here we are. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. So what you do is you come over to the driver's side door, you'll pull the handle. Now right underneath the handle you have a keyhole. You put the key in there, you turn it, and it unlocks that front door for you. Now you can get in. So let's imagine you guys are going in a drive-in theater on a hot summer day. Or maybe you're out there during winter enjoying the Christmas lights, right? The thing is though, you want the car on and running to keep the climate control on so everyone's comfortable inside, not suffering. But the problem is though, you're in park and your daytime running lights are on, as you see right here. So a common question is, Chris, can I turn off my daytime running lights so I'm not disturbing everyone? Yes, you can, and let me show you how. It's easy. Let's go. All right, so here we are right in front of the vehicle. You guys can clearly see that your daytime running lights are on. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is get over here on the driver's side. As you get right in here, the vehicle has to be in park. Okay, you see on your light stick you have off, on, auto, and all that. So all you have to do is click the one to the off. As we go up to the front, you guys will see that your daytime running lights are off. That way you can keep the vehicle on and running, keeping everyone nice and comfortable on the inside as you enjoy your event. All right, super nice and easy. Now a follow-up question to answer is, Chris, can I have your daytime running lights off while the vehicle's in motion? The answer is no, because some states require them to be on while in motion if the vehicle has daytime running lights. So there's no way to work around that, but when the vehicle is parked, you can. All right, let's get to the next one. We have a really cool feature. Let's call it the auto brake release. So you have your e-brake on, or your electrical parking brake right now. You can see it's on because it has a red light right here, and then it says brake down below. You cannot accidentally tap this bad boy, right, to turn it off. You have to purposely apply it onto the brake pedal, push that button right in, right? So there we go, so disable it. But did you know if it's engaged and you have your seatbelt on, seatbelt has to be plugged in. While this is on, you simply put the vehicle into drive and you apply onto the gas, it releases. Just like that, and we're good to go. How cool. All right, so let's imagine you guys are out and about running some errands, okay? You got a friend or a family with you, or maybe a pet in the back, all right? So as you're out there doing your business, your errands, maybe they can't go in with you or they don't want to go in with you. So what you normally do to keep them comfortable during those hot summer days or cold winters, you keep the car on and running, right? So you get out of the vehicle, you shut the door, find a way to lock it, you run in, maybe not aware of this, in 20 minutes the car will automatically turn on. Now the question is, Chris, if I'm in there for 40 minutes, is there a way to keep the car on and running for a longer period of time? There is a cheat code that you can do so it won't turn off in 20 minutes, and it's gonna be super easy and quick. Let me show you now. This is gonna be a super easy cheat code, the best one out there. All you have to do is get your seatbelt and plug it in. That's it. All right, you shut the door, you find a way to lock it. The car is gonna stay on and running until you actually come in here and turn it off. There it is, guys, nice and simple. Alrighty, so now you guys are out here enjoying the beautiful sunshine on the summer day, right? The thing you probably dread the most is after the car's been out there for a long period of time, you come out to the car, it's super hot and mucky because the sun's been beating down this beautiful Pilot, right? So when you get in there, you're suffocating. But wouldn't it be nice if there's a way to let it air out so you're not suffocating as much when you get into the vehicle? You can. So you got your key fob right here. You double tap and hold unlock. As you're holding it down, guess what opens up? the windows. So there you go, let it air out, let that wind blow it out. By the time I get to the vehicle, it's going to be nice and comfortable, okay? Now, there's probably another question is, Chris, I don't like that feature because I'm afraid I'm going to accidentally do that. Then it's going to rain or snow, then I'm going to have a disaster. So the question is, can I disable that? And yes, you can. Let me show you how now. Alrighty, so here we are right inside the Honda Pilot. We have it on and running. So there's a quick little insider for you guys. For those that have the lower trim levels, you're going to be navigating over here on the driver's interface, while the higher trim levels, you're going to be navigating on the touch screen, but you'll be looking for the same kind of keywords that I'm going to be pointing out right now. So since I'm in the sport trim right now and it's a lower trim level, we're navigating through here. So you're going to find vehicle settings. You'll select vehicle settings. Then you're going to scroll down to door setup. Select door setup. Then we're going to scroll all the way back down to keyless remote powered window control. Simply select that and select off. Boom. So once again, if you have a higher trim level, it's the same kind of concept on your touchscreen. If you have a hard time with that, check out my vehicle settings video. I'll show you guys again, all right? There we go. Now we're going to answer more of those common questions. For example, I'm going to have some thumbnails here off to the side that's going to answer more of those questions. And right below those thumbnails for those videos, you'll see it'll tell you what trim level you need to have that particular feature and function, because all those are not going to be standard on all trims across, all right? So pay attention to that details. Now, if you guys want to see more of an in-depth walk around, check out my walk around videos. I literally hit every single button. Then I have my vehicle setting videos going to show you how to set everything up so when you drive off the lot, you're set for success, okay? Well, thanks again for watching. Hit that like and subscribe. I'll keep the videos coming. Bye-bye.